Hey Budget Baes, hey, welcome or welcome back to My Life on a Budget. Today, y'all, we are finally going to be doing paycheck number, I think I'm on paycheck number 3. Yeah, paycheck number 3, y'all. We are finally in paycheck number 3. So if you want to budget by paycheck number 3 with your girl, stay tuned. Okay, so boom, y'all stay tuned and clear. That means you want to go ahead and budget paycheck number 3 with your girl. First, let's get the pleasantries out of the way. Y'all already know how that goes. Hey, y'all, hey, welcome back to any and all of my returning Budget Baes. I'm so glad y'all decided to come back and chill with your girl. Y'all already know it is a love as far as you guys are concerned. And if you are new around here, then hey, y'all, hey, welcome. I'm so glad you stopped by. If you enjoyed the video, please make sure you hit the like button. But you guys, as soon as you get on the video, do your big one. Hit the like button for your girl, okay? It definitely does help my channel out, and I definitely do appreciate it down, okay? Not only that, if you are new around here, hit the like, but also hit the subscribe button, okay? I would love to have you come and join the Budget Baes. Y'all, we have so many videos that we need to get done. Y'all already know that my month goes on into the next month, but I'm telling y'all right now, I got a lot of videos that I need to get together, y'all. I got a lot of videos I need to get together, like the end of the month type of thing. I'm trying to still close out this month. I'm on my 3rd paycheck. I haven't gotten paid my last paycheck. You know, I get my last paycheck at the end of the month, last day of the month. So, yeah, y'all, your girl has been busy. All right, so let's pull some stuff out. Y'all already know how that goes. I do have my sticker books. I have the unique alpha font that we're going to be using for later. I did use this Papillon book that we're going to be using for to write our bills down. I do have my bill pay tracker that we also have. We'll pull that to the side as well. The rainbow dots we need for the dots. And then I did get a new Kelly Ann book, y'all. We are going to be using this book in order to, like, put our little icons, y'all. This is a brand new book. My baby actually got me this book for Christmas, Budget Basics Volume 3. So that's from Kelly Ann, child. Yeah. Or whatever. So yeah, we're gonna move this out the way. And then y'all know that I need to pull out my my calendar so that y'all can know what's C and what's what in America, okay? Like I said, we are on paycheck number 3. Let's make sure you guys are moved in enough and that you can see what's going on, child. Because, baby, how we going to pay the bills if we don't know what to pay? Amen. How we going to pay the bills if we don't know what to pay? Okay? So we are right here on paycheck number 3. I actually gonna check this right here off. I already did paycheck number 2. Those were these pink diamonds, but we're on that purple looking diamond. So let's pull that out. And I'm gonna tell you what we're gonna pay with Papa's check. Okay. Now last time we did it, Papa got paid actually on Christmas Day. Okay, so we had paid all the bills all the way down to the 24th. And now we're going to move into what bills Papa is going to pay until I get paid, which will be like the 30th or the 31st. Okay, now we are going to be paying this Audible. We're going to pay 1/2 of our light bill as well. And then we're going to pay the Wi-Fi that's due right here on the 27th. We're going to pay that gas bill. We're going to pay our YouTube TV. And we're going to pay part of Papa's car note for next month. That's not on here, but we're going to move some money over for that. And then lastly, I think we're going to be paying our ADT. We're going to pay our ADT as well. Okay? So let's move this out of the way. And we're going to pull our sheets out. And we're going to talk about how we're going to get this paid, y'all. Now, I did do some changes here. Which I just realized when I did my paying some of my bills, but we'll talk about it, okay? I actually did only $1,871 from Papa's check this time. We moved, of course, part number 2 of our mortgage for January. Okay, January the 15th. That was $790.02. We moved that over. And then I was telling you about Papa's car note. So Papa's, actually, let me skip that. Let's skip that. Let's go to Audible. Let's do our bills for December 1st. So we'll do Audible. Audible is due on the 26th. That bill was $16.18. We're going to pay 1/2 of our light bill. The light bill is due on the 26th. Half of the light bill was $135.50. So the bill was $271, y'all. This month. And then we had our YouTube TV. Now, initially, I thought that the bill was going to be $129. So that's how much money that I allocated for. But actually, I got a $20 credit. So my bill was actually only $109.87. But when I did the budget, I allocated it for $129. So we'll just keep it that way. But just so you know, they gave me a $20 credit when they took off Disney, and then they put Disney back or whatever, and they gave us a $20 credit. And then our gas bill kind of went up a little bit, y'all. That gas bill due on the 29th of the month. The gas bill this month was $66.39. It's actually cold right now. It's like 40 degrees outside, like 44 degrees. So we're getting a little couple of days of cold, and I guess this is what we did have to cut our heater on. So I guess that's what that was for, child. Then we had our Wi-Fi bill. Okay, you know the Wi-Fi is due on the 28th of the month. That amount was $80.51. We had ADT. ADT was $76.85. And then lastly, we paid half of Papa's car note. Papa's car note and his principal balance that we be paying. That bill is not due to the 6th of January. So we moved $300 to SoFi. Okay, so that when I get paid, I'll move the other $300 and we'll just make a lump sum payment of the $600 because y'all know I'm paying extra money on his car note. His car note is like $4 something. So let's add this up. Let's see what we got. $790.02 plus $16.18 plus $135.50 plus $129.87 plus $66.39, $80.51. $76.85 plus $300 is $1,595.32. Okay. Now I told you guys we were going to be using 1871 minus 1596. Let's just round that. Okay, what was I doing? 1871 minus 1596 is going to give us $275 to stuff, okay? Now, baby, I ain't mad because really on the cool, y'all, I'm going to no spend. I mean, we're going to talk about that later when I go to talk about my goals and what's happening for 2026. But I'm telling y'all right now, for the month of January and February, I'm going to be on no spend, y'all. I haven't decided quite how I'm going to do that no spend or like how I'm going to allocate the funds because I actually have to be able to allocate the funds somewhere. And when I'm saying I'm going to do a no spend, I mean like I'm not going to spend any money on clothes. I'm not spending money on any planner stuff. I'm not buying anything extra and I'm not buying any like, I'm not doing nothing extra, but it does not count with, like, my nails or my feet. That type of stuff is maintenance. It's not, like, extra. So, that won't count. But I'm not doing no out to eat. No, like, nothing. Nothing. I'm going to be stuffing my no spend like it's one of these envelopes. Literally. And all of that money is going to pay off Amex. Like, I am done. I'm done. For real. Okay, so $275 we had left, y'all. That wasn't that much money. Y'all know off the top we're going to have to do $110 for the groceries and $80 for the gas. So let's see how much money we got left for real. 110 minus 80. So we're going to cool. We got $85, y'all. We're not stuffing no more of this stuff here. We're not going to stuff King. Let's go ahead and give car maintenance $5. I need to beat that back up. It went down because I had to get my car inspected. And so I used like $40 or something out of that money. And I just want to start stacking it back up. Then we have $80. And so let's just give $40 to my emergency fund. And then $40 to my new car. No, nothing for an upcoming vacation. Okay? And that's going to take that. 110 plus 80 plus 5 plus 40 plus 40 is $275, y'all. So when we go to get it out the bank, let's talk about how we want it, because it's going to be so easy peasy, y'all. It's barely some damn money. Alright? We're going to put 110 for the groceries, 80 for the gas, 5 for car maintenance, 40 for my new car, and 40 for pay cash. So 110 will be 250s, 110. The 80 gonna always be 420s. The 5 can be 15. The 40 can be 220s, and then the other 20 gonna be 220s. Okay, that's gonna leave 250s, 4, 6, 8, 20s, 110, and 15. 2 times 50 is 100. 8 times 20 is going to be 160. 1 times 10 is 10. And then 1 times 5 is 5. All right, let's equal that up. 100 plus 160 plus 10 plus 5. Okay, that's 275. There we go. That's it, y'all. So that's how we're going to do that. Now, lastly, we're going to go ahead and I'm going to put all of the bills that we just paid. I'm going to fast forward this part, and we're going to fill this out with the bills that we just paid. And then this video will be out. So I'll be right back. Okay, y'all, so we got everything written down really quick. Let's go ahead and fill this out so that we can be done with this video. So again, like I said, part 2 of the mortgage, the January mortgage has already been moved down. We did pay Audible. That was $16.18. Wi-Fi, $80.51. We paid half of the lights. Also, this cell phone bill got paid too, but one for the $7.93 times 2 is $295.86. But you'll see that with my next check, because my baby ended up giving us the money, giving me her money for hers. So one half of the lights was $135.50. The gas bill was $66.39. We already did the Wi-Fi, and then YouTube TV, we end up paying $109.87. All right, so we literally just have that other part of the lights that we have an Amex bill here, but I did already pay Amex again. And as a matter of fact, let me tell you what I did. I paid $1,200. So to Amex number 2, I actually paid an additional $1,200 to them as a lump sum payment. And then to my Amex number 1, I paid an additional $445, and that was from Christmas money. Okay, so both of these two bills ended up getting paid. All right, I actually did this on 12/29. All right, so we just got 1, 2, 3 bills left. The other part of the lights, life insurance, and our vehicle insurance, that's due. And then, of course, we got some bills that's going to be due for the month of December as well. But we'll talk about that when I get paid. All right, so let's go ahead and put this back in here. All right, so we have the bill that we just paid. We're going to put our bill pay tracker right here. And then we're going to go back and we're going to put our bill pay calendar here. All right. So it just leaves the 2 bills that we have. I actually need to put, we're going to put that we paid $1,200 and $445. $1,200 to number 2, and then $445 to number 1. Okay, then we're going to take the cute sheet that we wrote. Let's go back here to our catch-all section, and we're going to go right here. This is the current week that we are in, and we're going to throw this right here once the bills got paid. Okay, and then lastly, our little scratch sheets. Put those back, and then this is the 3rd one. All right, so if you made it to the end of this particular video, thank you so much for making it to the end of the video. If you enjoyed the video, please make sure that you hit the like button. If you are new around here and you enjoyed the video, not only hit the like, but also hit the subscribe. I would love to have you come and join the Budget Baes. And until next time, you guys, my life on a budget. Bye.